Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel RD Excel. Today we are going to discuss about autofill and flash fill. Excel's autofill feature can be used for various purposes, including filling numbers, dates, text, and custom lists. It's a powerful tool for saving time when working with large sets of data. It allows you to quickly fill a series of cells with a pattern or sequence without manually typing each value. Type at least two numbers in a cell to establish a pattern. Select the cell or cells that containing the pattern you want to fill. Hover your mouse over the small square in the bottom right corner of the selected cells. Your cursor will turn into a black crosshair. Click and drag the fill handle in the direction you want to fill, either vertical or horizontal. Excel will automatically extend the pattern if you type a single number. There is a problem to create a series, but not to fear. Simply roll out the autofill option menu and select fill series. That's all. You can create a series of numbers how long you want. In this way, you can type a different series of a number. Let's get into some more examples. You can do the same steps in dates, text, and combine number and text like this. Custom list. Friends, if you want to create your own custom list, go to File tab, click on Options. The pop-up window will appear. Select the Advanced option and go to the bottom and click on Edit Custom List. Click on New List. Write your own list in List Entries. Click on Add button. That's all. Your custom list is ready. If you want to import list from the cells, click on Import box and select the cells where your own list and click on Import button. There you have it, my friends. You can see your list. At last, click OK and again click OK. Now you can use your own list. Flash fill. Flash fill is a powerful feature in Microsoft Excel that allows you to quickly format and extract data from a column based on patterns you specify. Let's say you have a list of full names in column A and you want to extract just the first names into column B. Copy the first name from column A and paste in column B. Now go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. In the Data Tools group, you will find the Flash Fill option. Click on it or press Ctrl+E and there you have it, my friends. It's magic. Excel will automatically analyze the data in column A and make a best guess at what you want to do. As you can see, Excel has correctly extracted the first names from the full names in column A. In the same way, you can extract the last names also, like this. Let's have some more examples. Flash fill is not limited to splitting names. It can be used for various data cleaning and formatting tasks. Keep in mind that while flash fill is quite smart, it may not always guess your intent correctly. You can manually edit the results if needed. To sum it up, flash fill in Excel is a time-saving tool for quickly formatting and extracting data based on patterns. It's a handy feature for data manipulation tasks that would otherwise be time-consuming. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, and if you have any question, please comment. Thank you, friends.